What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow, and you're watching my extras channel. This is the Minger 600W LED grow light. I purchased this grow light off of Amazon at a discount. In this video I am going to unbox the unit. I'll do a quick walkthrough of the app that is used to control the light, and I'll test the power output. First thing out of the box is the antenna. According to the product listing page, the Bluetooth range is 15 meters, which is about 49 feet. Next out the box is a power cord. This is 6 feet long. It comes with a set of wire hangers and a user manual. Here is the LED grow light. I won't go over all the features in this video, but I will leave a link in the description section below so you can click on it and you can learn about all the details on this grow light. I've hung the light on one side of a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent. Unfortunately, the wire hanging kit that comes with this grow light is a single style hanger. This results in difficulty in hanging the grow light straight, so I highly recommend picking up a pair of light ratchet hangers. And then you can do what I've done here, which is remove the hook that comes with it and connect the wire hangers directly to the light ratchets. This makes it much easier to hang the grow light straight. Now let's do a quick walkthrough of the app. The name of the app is Gove Home, and it is available on Android and iOS. Once you get into the app, click the icon on the top right corner and you can add in the device. I've actually already added in the device, as you can see here, so I'll tap on this device. It takes a few seconds to connect to the grow light, and then this is what you see. You can actually set 2 different timers, and then you have the option of 3 different spectrums. In order to enable the timers, you would tap the slider, and then you would tap the time spots and adjust the on and off times. For the spectrums, they have 3 different options: 4-1, 6-1, and 8-1, and the manufacturer recommends these different spectrums for different growing stages. I've plugged the unit into my kilowatt meter just to see what the wattage draw is on this unit. On the 4-1 setting, it pulls about 106, 107 watts. On the 6-1 setting, it pulls 98 watts. And on the 8-1 setting, it pulls 94 watts. Now let's jump into the power measurements. I'm using the Apogee MQ500 power meter, and this meter measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, plus or minus 5 nanometers. So if there's any light being emitted outside of that range, it won't be shown on this meter. And this is just to give you a general idea of what the power output is. This isn't meant to be exact. The reflective walls in this grow tent could increase the numbers, so just keep that in mind. It doesn't say what the coverage area is for this grow light. However, from my experience, this size grow light is best for a 2 foot by 2 foot grow space. Like I mentioned earlier, I've hung this light on one side of a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent, and I'll try to keep my power meter within a 2 foot by 2 foot grow space. Alright, I'll let the measurements do the talking. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.